Yesterday I made the PENGU price prediction video and I gave you two trades. Both of them were really good. This short right here and this short right here. The second short was just spot on, and this was the top it got. I just shorted it to the VWAP. But the question is, what will happen now? And the answer is, I will not long or short here. I would be interested in taking a potential short from this high right here. And on the higher time frame, I'm also thinking that we're gonna get a nice pump to the upside, very likely to here to the VWAP. So this is exactly what we'll be looking for. Also mark out some levels for us. 31431 is an area above this high, which means a lot of weak stops of shorts will get liquidated. And also it is the 10 EMA, is this the 20 EMA on the daily chart, which is an important level for us. That's basically it. I don't want to waste a second of your time. If you appreciate that, hit the like button. I'm up to 162 grand on meme coins, 28 grand on this new wallet. If you want to learn more about my strategy, the meme coin and future strategy, I'm updating my course. It's very cheap right now. It won't stay at this point for a long time. So definitely do check it out. Plus, in the description down below, I have a link to my Signal chat and to BloFin. BloFin are currently giving away a lot of new user exclusive bonuses, like a $30 bonus if you just deposit 50 bucks. Definitely do check them out. Link in the description down below. See you next video. Bye.